My name is Claudia Castillo. My role here at RaySafe is a finalization clerk. Any completed units that are ready to go out to the customer will be brought over to our finalization area. I verify that the serial numbers are correct in the system, verifying against the actual unit that I have in front of me. And then I will pull their case from their customer property shelf that we have behind us. And we will clean up the units, print the calibration certificates. It is also very imperative that we verify the unit against the calibration certificate. Once the calibration certificates are printed and ready to go and signed, we open our pack-out application. Once that is all filled out, we do have a secondary verification step, which is our QC step, and they will double check our work to make sure everything is looking well before we ship it out to the customer. Some of our customers that use these devices work on their own account. That's their livelihood. We're making sure that patients are safe from radiation, from all of that, making sure that they're good. So if we take our time and make sure that everything is correct, we do have a happy customer in the end.